In this video, we're going to show you how you can permanently delete your LinkedIn account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tutorials just like this. Once you go ahead and get on the home page of LinkedIn, go ahead and find your little profile page up here with this little drop down and click on it. And then scroll down just a little bit on this page until you see the settings and privacy option from the drop down menu. Go ahead and click on that. And under the account section, which is going to be over here, find the drop down for account preferences and make sure you're on this page. It usually automatically opens up here, but if it doesn't, just click on it. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll all the way down until you find account management all the way at the bottom and find close account. When you click on it, LinkedIn is going to go ahead and give you a pop-up that looks something like this. And it's going to inform you of pretty much everything that you're going to lose, like your connections, your messages. Make sure you're okay with that before continuing, but essentially just continue through this process just like so, and it's going to walk you through the rest of the deletion process. But that's it. Your account's going to go through the deletion process. I do want to point out that you can also hibernate your account, which is temporarily disabling it for about 30 days. So you could also go through with that if you would like, but it's completely up to you. If this video helped you out though, please consider subscribing and dropping a like for more LinkedIn tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day.